7 months and 2 days shy of a week after New Horizons launched, and while the spacecraft was Pluto-bound, the International Astronomical Union voted to downgrade the planet to dwarf status. Since Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto in 1930, close-up images of the planet had never been captured. That was about to change when the New Horizons mission lifted off atop a Falcon 5 rocket on January 19, 2006. 9 hours later, the payload passed the moon. Even at that speed, New Horizons wouldn't reach Pluto for 9 years. 7 months and 2 days shy of a week after New Horizons launched, and while the spacecraft was Pluto-bound, the International Astronomical Union voted to downgrade the planet to dwarf status. Once New Horizons reached Pluto's vicinity, the instrumentation sent Earthward data and imagery over 6 days, flying closest to the planet on July 14, 2015. Among the incredible revelations were cratered surfaces, rocky terrain and dark highlands, and nitrogen ice plains. Scientists also suspected they saw water ice mountains floating on iced nitrogen. One picture showed a heart-shaped area that ironically looks like Walt Disney's cartoon dog Pluto. The canine, though, wasn't even named until months later, and one story says Disney chose Pluto in honor of the planet. Burney Crater was so designated in honor of Venetia Burney, a preteen English schoolgirl who suggested the name Pluto. In mythology, Pluto is the god of the dark underworld. And where was the then 9th planet in the solar system but in a distant dark region? New Horizons' last shot was this image of the planet silhouetted by the sun, highlighting the atmosphere. New Horizons continues the journey, still returning data such as this image of 2 merged rocks in the Kuiper Belt. And the spacecraft does carry a passenger, a small amount of Clyde Tombaugh's ashes. In March 2007, in recognition of New Mexico's rich astronomical heritage and Clyde Tombaugh's part in that, the New Mexico legislature declared that when Pluto passes over New Mexico, yes, Pluto is definitely a planet.